Hi, welcome to another studio vlog. It's Monday. I am just getting ready to film my Archer and Olive guest post for the due date in February. However, unfortunately, two of my nails, my thumb on this one and then my pointer finger on the other, have come off. I did like dip powder when I started my Ranger live the other day, like last Wednesday. And unfortunately, I'm a little bit of a fidgeter and I picked at them and two of them have like broken / come off. So I have to redo those two nails in order to film because I can't film with like two nails missing. It will look ridiculous. I don't know. Anyway, so I got to do that really quick and then I'm going to start filming. I also have some new stuff that I want to like kind of look at. I got an order that I got from Ranger, stuff that I had ordered myself. And then also there's some new sublimation blanks back there that I'm thinking about like trying out. So we're gonna look at those and see what they're like. But anyway, let's jump right into it. It is a beautiful day. The kids are playing outside. It's like 70 degrees, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up my windows and turn my heat press on so that I can start pressing a couple of bags. I really want to use the nice weather today and try to get some photos of my tote bags so that I can list the other ones on my website. So that is on my agenda for today. So hopefully I'll be able to get those things done today. We'll see how it goes. My prints in the sublimation printer are coming out with lines in them. They seem faint here, but you will definitely be able to see them in the tote bag when I put it out. So I don't want to print that. These ones are like that too. So I'm doing a nozzle head cleaning right now to see if that helps, but it definitely shouldn't be like that. I hate when it prints like this. So I'm doing a cleaning now to see if that helps, and hopefully we'll be able to keep moving forward and actually do our tote bags. Friends, I am so excited. What the heck? We just got a new patron. Okay, so I had 5 patrons signed up and we lost one and now we have a new one again. So we have 5 patrons again and I'm so excited. Tracy, if you are watching this, thank you so much for joining us over on Patreon. I'm so excited to have you and I can't wait to get your greeting card sent out for the month and get everything set up. I'm like so excited. Thank you so much for joining us. What the heck? All right, this is the photo that I ended up with for my alcohol ink class for Ranger. So I made these coasters and this alcohol ink panel, and then I photographed them, and now I've just edited them into the correct size that they wanted for the Michael's class banner. And now I'm submitting it to make sure that they like it. And once I get confirmation that they are okay with it, then I will go ahead and write up the class description and all of that information, and we'll be good to go. am currently sitting in bed in my room, working on catching up on YouTube comments. I'm just on my iPad with my little keyboard and all that. I have been finding myself not really wanting to sit at the computer lately, and being in bed and comfy is just kind of, I don't know, it makes me actually get work done versus sitting at my computer, which I don't know, I just get restless and I don't want to sit there anymore. So I'm trying this out and seeing if I can catch up on some comments. I'm a little behind. So if I haven't replied to your comments, I'm so sorry. There's a bunch that I haven't replied to yet. I do read them all. And then sometimes I get distracted and I don't get a chance to like respond right away, but I do try to respond to all of the comments that I get. So yeah, I don't know. I'm going to try to work on that and hopefully I'll have replied to all the comments in a few minutes. Okay, this looks more promising. I did about 1 billion calibrations. So hopefully when I take this off, so far so good. Oh, come on. Much better. Look at that. Now it has a mostly even border all the way around. Definitely way better than it was. Yay! All right, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video vlog here. I know it's kind of a little all over the place this week. I don't know. I've been feeling sick on and off for like weeks now. Ever since everyone got sick a couple weeks ago, I don't know. We haven't really recovered as far as like, it's not anything like the end of the world. It's just that like we seem to keep getting sick over and over again. So it's like we all start to feel better and then we're sick again. And then we start to feel better and then it's like we're catching like different colds or something. And I don't know if it's just because like everyone's been wearing masks for so long and like germs are just affecting us differently. I don't really know. Anyway, I've been finding it hard to stay motivated and get things done, which means there's not a lot of content filmed, unfortunately, but hopefully we're on the tail end of all the yucky stuff and I'll be able to get back to regular filming soon. The weather is starting to take a turn and it's getting warmer. So, you know, that always makes me feel better too. Anyway, all right. I love you all to bits. I will see you next week. Thanks for hanging out with me. Okay, bye.